85% of industrial equipment fails without warning. You risk losing thousands of dollars in downtime and repairs. Your business relies on these machines running smoothly. You'll learn how to predict failures before they happen. The third one is the part nobody talks about, where you can use machine learning to optimize maintenance schedules. You can use Azure Machine Learning to analyze data from sensors on your industrial IoT devices. For example, Siemens uses Azure to monitor its wind turbines. They attach sensors to turbines to track vibration, temperature, and other factors. This data helps predict when maintenance is needed. Another example is with predictive maintenance for pumps. You can use Azure to analyze data from pressure sensors and flow meters. For instance, Grundfos uses Azure to predict when its pumps need maintenance. This helps reduce downtime by 50%. You can also use Azure to analyze data from motors. General Electric uses Azure to monitor its motors and predict when they need maintenance. This helps reduce energy consumption by 10%.